this is Natasha Lewis with Big Rock Organics, giving you a tour of your weekly veggie box. We are in our second week of the CSA and we have a lot of greens, so hopefully you're able to enjoy a salad a day, keeps the blues away. So let me take you through our box. We've got a mix this week of two different Asian greens, Mizuna and a choi, purple choi. It's really beautiful. And then a small light colored lettuce, black-seeded Simpson. The Asian greens will give your salad a little bit of a kick. So this is definitely a really nice flavorful salad, and it's just going to differ a little bit from the mild lettuces that we had last week. We also have head lettuce. We are doing a little bit more head lettuces than we have in the past. And these are some beautiful butter crunch lettuces. They're going to have a little bit more body to them. They make really great wraps. You can take and put your sandwich fixings on here, roll it up and make a wrap, and just use the lettuce instead of bread. So that's a really great suggestion. I personally love a wedge salad. This is a great salad to do that with. Do a mock wedge by just chopping it up and adding your typical, blue cheese, bacon, tomatoes, that kind of thing on top. It's got a nice, almost a romaine-like crunch to it. So that's the butter crunch. We have our beloved choi. I just think this is so beautiful. Definitely try it out in a stir fry. You can also juice it. It's got a real mild flavor. Just beautiful, I think. So I'm really proud of these little guys here. We have some delicious scallions. We used all of ours up last week. They're just wonderful. They have so much flavor. And again, remember to use the whole entire thing. Chop it up. If you don't get to them in time, you could always freeze them as well, and then just sprinkle them right from the freezer into any dish that you might have. It's a great way to put away some of your produce if you can't use it all within the week. So, keep that in mind. We also have a bag of some different greens. So this is spinach. You might get spinach in your box, you might get radishes, depending on our availability this week. So we've got a couple different kind of flex items going this week, just because we've got some crops that are kind of, coming in, some are going out. So you might see a few different things in your box this week. We've got mint, and I'm gonna suggest to dry this in the oven. We are drying it out for our Wednesday boxes. The Monday people got it fresh. It makes wonderful tea. We're also including a little honey jar for you, so you have some honey to go with your tea. So that's a delicious flavor that you can enjoy. And then everybody is getting a bag of frozen zucchini. Zucchini, squash, whatnot. These are wonderful. I do this all summer long. I just throw my zucchini into the food processor, and then I put about 3 cups into a bag. I freeze it, and then we're ready to make zucchini bread. You can throw zucchini into pancakes, into muffins, anything. Soup, it is great in soup. It thickens up a chili, just about anything. Throw that zucchini into there. Chocolate chip cake, the best with zucchini in there. So you just thaw this out, squeeze it so there's not a lot of moisture in it, and then add it to your recipes. So that is in there as well, and I suggest when we get into zucchini season and you've got a lot, to go ahead and do this with your zucchini, because then you can enjoy, holiday baking and everything all week long. So that is our box. We are in the throes of doing a lot of weeding right now, finishing up planting, and just looking forward to savoring some of that early summer produce and waiting for the rest of the season to kick in. So thanks for your patience with us as we are waiting for things to kind of come on board. Enjoy your leafy greens. They're only here for a small time, so enjoy your box this week. We would love to see some ideas and recipes that you might use. Next week we're going to be featuring one of our CSA customers and her Instagram feed to help give you some ideas. So stay tuned, enjoy your box, definitely share with us your recipes and ideas. All right, happy cooking till next week. It's Natasha from Big Rock Organics.